Over the past few days, we've had the privilege of hosting two incredible workshops: Sustainability as a Business Revaluation Process. We connected with tourism stakeholders from across Belize, from San Pedro and Caye Caulker to Hopkins, Placencia, and PG. Local businesses, organizations, and community leaders came together to explore how sustainability can transform hospitality into a regenerative and inclusive sector. We discussed what sustainability truly means, held the world in our hands, and reflected on the big responsibility the tourism industry has to be a force for positive change and local development. Through deep dives into our inner purpose and the unique factors of our destinations, we explored how global certification processes can multiply our good actions. These certifications provide a clear path toward best practices while offering differentiated promotion in conscious traveler markets. We are grateful to everyone who joined us and made these workshops so meaningful. Special thanks to the Belize Tourism Board, the Belize Ministry of Finance, and the Inter-American Development Bank for their invaluable support in this journey. Together, we can drive change. Remember, your individual actions matter,